Hello guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar and you're watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So in this video, I'm going to discuss, can we execute a Java program without using main methods? So the most valuable question in interview room, can we execute a Java program without using main method? So the answer may be, positive or negative. That is, answer may be yes or no. Okay, here we have little bit twist here. So you can say yes or you can say no. Okay, so answer may be both. Answer may be both. It means that we can execute a Java program without using main method. Yes, we can execute, but we cannot execute a Java program without using main method. Yes, we cannot execute. Why? Because from Java 1.7, from Java 7 and onwards, to start the execution of Java program, we compulsorily require to have main method. We compulsorily require to have main method in our class. To start the execution of Java program, we compulsorily need to have main method in our class. From Java 1.7 and onwards, we compulsorily need to have main method in your class. Okay, but up to 1.6 version, we can execute or we can start the execution of Java program without using main method, but up to 1.6 version. So in my system, I have already installed 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.19 also. So I can start the execution of Java program without using main method, at least by using 4 ways. At least by using 4 ways, I can start the execution of Java program, but up to 1.6 version. So how we can start the execution of Java program without using main method? Okay, so these are the 4 different ways. Okay, so the first way, okay, I can say by using static block, by using static block. By using static block. So the first way. Okay. Second way, I can execute a Java program without using main method by using static method. Okay. Third way, I can execute a Java program without using main method by using constructor. By using constructor, I can execute a Java program without using main method. And the fourth way, I can execute a Java program without using main method by using instance block. Okay, these are the 4 different ways that we can start the execution of Java program without using main method. So how we can execute a Java program without using main method? Okay, let's see. Okay, so for that I will write one example here. Let's say I write one class. In fact, I will write a public class test here. Okay, public class test. Okay, public class test. Okay, and inside test class, okay, without writing main method, I will directly write a static method, static block. Okay, so this is static block, and here I can say system dot out dot println. Okay, one line here, and I can say I can execute. Okay, without using main method. Okay, so now we will try to compile and start the execution of this program. Okay, so now I am saving this program. I will save in E drive. In my system there is a E drive, and in E drive there is a P folder there. Okay, so in P folder I will save this program. Okay, I will save with the test.java program. Okay, I will overwrite that. Okay, so now, so test.java program I save in E drive and P folder. Okay, so look at here, I save in E drive and P folder. Okay, so now I can start the execution. I will start a command prompt here. I will start command prompt here. And now we can check the JDK version here. Okay, so which version command prompt using here? So to check the JDK version, I can pass command here java c hyphen version. Okay, so this will tell you so which version you're using here. Okay, so command prompt using java JDK 19 version, JDK 19 version. Okay, using here. So now we can try to compile and start the execution by using JDK 19. So we will say Java compiler, please start the execution. I will say Java compiler. Okay, please start the compilation. Okay, so please compile this file. So Java compiler will say fine, there is no problem. Okay, so compilation is fine. Now we will say Java interpreter. Okay, please start the execution. Now Java interpreter will start the JVM, and then JVM will ask you. Okay, JVM will tell you that within a test class there is no main method, so hence I cannot start the execution. So it means to say in JDK 19 we cannot execute Java program without using main method. So now uh, in my system I have installed JDK 19, JDK 10, JDK 8. So now I can we can try we can try to compile and start the execution by using JDK 8. So now I will assign this path to the command prompt. Okay, so to assign a path, I will say path is equals to JDK 8 path. Okay, now once again I will pass command to check which version using here. Okay, so now we are using JDK 1.8 version. So now okay, so now previously compiled file I will delete here. Now once again I will compile this file. Okay, Java compiler, please compile which file? Test.java file. Java compiler will say fine, there is no problem. Okay, compilation is fine. Then we will say to Java interpreter, please start the execution. So once again Java interpreter will say that there is no main method, so hence we cannot start, hence I cannot start the execution. So it means even in 1.8 we cannot start the execution of Java program without using main method. But in my system I have already installed 1.6 version. 1.6 version I have already installed. So I will assign this path to the command prompt. Once again I will copy this path, and now we will say path is equals to okay 1.6 path, and once again I will check the JDK version here. Okay, so right now command prompt using JDK 1.6 version. So once again, so in E drive and P folder I will delete previously compiled file. Now once again we will say Java compiler. Okay, please start the compilation. Okay, so now compilation is fine, there is no error, and now we will start the execution of Java program. So now Java test. So now Java interpreter will start the execution. You can see static block getting execute. Okay, static block getting execute. So it means to say we can start the execution without using main method. Up to 1.6 version. Okay, but here we are getting one problem. After executing static block, JVM trying to find main method in your class. JVM trying to find main method in your class. So for that, what we have to do here? We will say after executing this line, okay, we will shut down JVM. So how to shut down JVM? We will say JVM please shut down. JVM please shut down. Okay, so now by using system.exit, by using this line, okay, so by using this exit method, in system class there is a one exit method. By using this exit method we can shut down JVM. Okay, so I will save this, and once again okay, I will compile Okay, Java C test, and now Java test. So you can see I'm not getting that message here. Okay, so previously we got one message here. So right now we are not getting message here. So it means to say we can execute a Java program without using main method by using static block. So this is the way that we can execute a Java program. This is the first way. Okay. So how we can execute a Java program without using main method, without using static block, static method, without using constructor, and without using instance block. So we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.